The other day this dog had a hilarious reaction to save himself from mother's scolding and hide behind his sister. This dog knows that mom doesn't like him sitting on the sofa and rubbing his fluff. He also checks her in between to see if she is coming. So meanwhile, she's preoccupied in her work. This dog is also busy playing and doing mischiefs. But as soon as he realizes that mom sees him, he jumps out of sofa and pretends to lie still near his sister to hide from mom's scolding. This dog is one smarty pants.